ça.
Do I look like a
French girl?
Like a French girl?
You look good.
Thank you. Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue dans ma cuisine. Aujourd'hui, nous allons faire une galette des rois. Oh my gosh, that took forever. But anyway, also known as a king cake to us Americans, you're probably picturing something like this. The thing that we eat at Mardi Gras, it's covered in like colorful purple and green sprinkles. Disgusting, in my opinion. But this galette des rois is absolutely delicious. It's like an almond puff pastry. I don't know. That's pretty much all I can describe about it. It's delicious. The only similarity between the two, the king cake and the galette des rois, is the fact that we put a little charm. Jonathan, can you come here?
What?
Can you please come here?
Sure.
Do you mind being in my video?
No. Okay. I feel like I'm always eating in your videos.
You are. Why are you so French eating Pims?
I don't know. So, why did you summon me?
This. What is this called? I can't remember. You told me yesterday.
Oh.
In French.
So you want
Not
me to
in
say in
English.
French, not in
Yeah,
English,
yeah,
because I don't know the name in English.
I don't either.
You're just trying to show me off to your audience, and this is called a fève.
Okay. Okay.
Is that all?
No, can you like can you tell more about it? Like in French. And I want to like translate it?
Sure, I'll tell you what I know about it.
Okay.
Should I put like a French outfit to match with you?
Yes.
I feel like nobody will believe me if I don't have my French outfit.
Okay. Okay, go put it on.
I'll be back.
Okay. Wait, don't forget your Pims. Ding!
Quand il me prend dans ses bras et me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Didn't you want me to like tell your audience a little bit more about the Galette des Rois?
Cut to the point, yes. Alright, take it away.
Sure. La tradition veut que le premier dimanche de l'année, on mange la fameuse galette des rois en l'honneur de la fête de l'Épiphanie.
Cool. Epiphany.
Ouais.
I got that one.
Ouais. Une fève est cachée dans la galette et celui ou celle qui la trouve désigne son roi ou sa reine et l'embrasse. Oui, c'est malheureux, mais devenir un roi ou une reine, ça a un prix. Normalement, le plus jeune se cache, se glisse même sous la table pour décider de la distribution des parts. Certains d'entre nous préféreront la brioche avec les fruits secs, mais très peu, mais la majorité de nous préféreront la frangipane à sa délicieuse pâte d'amande. You know, la pâte d'amande.
Oh, a pâte d'amande.
Délicieuse.
Delicieuse.
Succulente.
Succulente.
Yummies.
Yummies.
Ouais.
I love when you speak French. Continue.
Mais
Mais.
nous rêvons tous de la même chose. De se casser une dent sur cette belle fève pour enfin porter cette splendide couronne et surtout de porter la responsabilité d'acheter la prochaine galette des rois. En fin de compte, qui est-ce qui a envie de tomber sur cette putain de fève?
You can't cuss!
You have to beep the putain, but it must be emphasized.
I know the bad words.
Nobody wants to fall on the fève. Nobody.
French salute. Armée, le bataillon. Pom, 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 pom.
Joli. Très bien.
Fini?
J'ai fini.
Ok, merci, ciao!
Are you really
Au revoir.
kicking me out of the video?
À tout à l'heure!
That is so French of you to just kick me out of the video like that.
Chou chou!
Oh my gosh.
Alright, now I'm ready to make my galette des rois. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I have 2 pieces of puff pastry here. Just the sheets that you can buy in the freezer aisle at your grocery store. And I'm going to measure out a circle. I think this should be like 9 inches. Now, if you want, you can make some puff pastry of your own. Have at it, but honestly, I'm not even willing to do it because it's a lot of effort. It's like making croissant dough, so okie dokie. Now I just made this filling last night because I had to chill for a little while, but the recipe will be posted down below. You can just check it out. It's super easy. You just mix it together. So I'm just going to take this pastry bag and fill the middle, leaving an inch around the whole outside. Mine must be a little too cold because it's coming out in like chunks. It looks really gross. To be quite honest. Not very appetizing. But it'll taste delicious, trust me. When in doubt, smear it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my second layer here. And this piece is gonna have to be a little bit larger because it needs to envelop all of the pastry. So I'm just gonna roll it out a little more than my other one. Now, this is typically where someone would add the little fève in. Mine's just this adorable little macaron.
Sorry.
Anyway, I have my little fève here. I actually got it in the Galette de Rois that I ordered last year from a bakery. So I'm gonna reuse this, but I don't know if it's like ceramic or not. It looks like it. I don't really want to put it in until after it's baked. So I'm gonna set that aside. We're just gonna lay the top pastry right over. Oh shoot, you know what? I forgot a step. We have to wet it. We have to wet it. And wet it really well along the whole border. This is a crucial step. I don't know how I almost forgot this. So you have to be sure to like seal it really, really, really well. It's nice and sticky now. All right. Good job, Emily. So now, I have this bowl that's like 8.5 inches. So I'm gonna stick it on the top and press down. This is like to ensure that you don't accidentally miss anywhere crimping along any of the edges, since sealing it is definitely the most important part. So I'm just gonna push, boop, boop, go around the whole thing, and then taking the back of a just regular knife, every 1/2 inch or so, I'm just gonna press in, and it's just gonna make that cute little scalloped edge. So now we're left with this pie looking lump. It kind of looks like a giant ravioli, to be quite honest. So now I'm just going to make a little design on top. I have some egg wash here. Brush it over the top, but be very careful not to get it on the rim. Otherwise you risk the pastry not rising. And who wants a puff pastry with no puff? Nobody. Alright, so in true Emily fashion, she went ahead and made a little diagram under this. I don't know if you can see. Voila! That's what it's going to look like. I love to waste time on every little detail that doesn't really matter. So now I'm just going to attempt to freehand it after I spent all that time precisely measuring out star shapes. Anyway. Now do not forget to add steam vents. So we'll put some right here. Now this giant ravioli is going to go in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, just so it can chill before going in the oven. Otherwise the butter will all seep out and you don't want that. Make way for the king's cake. The king of cake. Ooh, that'd be the queen cake. That's for sure. À tout à l'heure, ma petite galette des rois.
On se retrouve dans une demi-heure.
Oui, what he said. I feel like a contestant on Great British Baking Show because they are all like looking through like, oh my gosh, is my thing burning? Is it too mushy? Is it gonna cook in time? You know, just keep puffing. How you doing in there, huh? This is boring. Let me go. So I have my little fève here and I need to hide it. So I'm just going to poke the bottom and scoot it to the edge. Sorry if you can't see me. I'm just gonna turn it so I don't know where it is. I'm gonna poke a little hole and stick it in. Okay. Jonathan, you wanna try some? Okay. So I hit the little thingy-mabobber, whatever it's called.
A fève, yeah.
And do you want to pick a slice, or should we like do like a little turny thing?
Let's do a turny thing.
Okay.
Let's
Do
make
you
it
want to
fun.
turn since I just turned it?
You hold the knife, and I'll turn.
Don't let me cut off your finger.
Close your eyes.
Can you at least sing like a song?
Sure.
Okay.
Ne me quitte pas. Il faut
Why
oublier.
that song?
Tout peut s'oublier. I don't know why I chose the most dramatic song for this such festive moment.
Okay.
Okay. Tu veux some assistance?
Oh, you hear that sound?
I mean, I want a whole piece for myself, so.
Well, but yeah, you have the whole pie to yourself for later. Literally.
Am I gonna do it like the lemon tart and just eat it out
Please
of
don't.
the out of
That
the
was
whole
so
pot?
annoying.
Mes excuses.
Here it comes. It only took me 10 hours.
Yummies.
Oh,
looking
it
good.
smells so good. This
Well-
cake will be gone by the night, so someone's gonna win.
Listen, I don't know if you understood what I
He
said
has
in
better
French.
chances than me because he's gonna eat a majority of this.
Emily,
Your odds
the point
are higher
is.
than mine.
The point is,
What's the
everybody
point?
becomes a king or a queen here. Because we're only two. So if I become the king, you'll become my queen. If you become the queen, I'll become your king.
Oh, right.
So it's like you're not gonna lose here. You're 100% win rate.
So you may as
This
well
is
just
not
bite
the
into it.
casino.
You have to try it first.
Why? Because I'm the Frenchie?
Yeah.
And you want to know if you can get the
Ding.
The
Yeah,
check.
I need the check of approval. Since you've grown up eating this, so.
But
You know
normally,
it's supposed to
the
taste
baker
like.
tastes it, and you have to prove me that it's not poisoned. That you're not gonna. There you go. Okay. I'm not gonna die from it, right? Don't tell me anything.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh no.
Do you approve?
Oh yeah, that's so good. It just reminds me of home. Even better.
You
Because
like
it's made with love.
it? Is made with love. Ooh.
You know it's good when I don't propose you more.
Yeah. Not funny.
High five.
Thank you.
Good job.
Yay!
It is so good. Oh, baby!
What?
I got the fave!
Oh. You did get
Baby!
the
I.
Oh my! I didn't even. I
This
just
wasn't.
cut
This was not planned.
the, no, I just
wanted
cut
to
the
say
next slice.
that is amazing.
I'm glad you didn't bite into it. I
I'm
forgot
so
about
glad.
that.
I could have broken my tooth.
Yeah. Oh, that looks so good. There's my little macaron. Hello, dirty macaron. You want to eat that?
Mm-mm.
Congratulations, you're the king!
Would you like to be my queen?
I would love to be your queen. Can you in my spot?
Sorry.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching.
Wait. I want
What?
to do the outro in French.
Oh, right, yes.
Can I try?
Yes,
I've
please.
always dreamed of it.
Yes, dream big, do it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. How do I do this? I might mess this up. Ah oui. N'oubliez pas de liker cette vidéo, de partager cette vidéo, de commenter cette vidéo et surtout, si vous ne voulez pas louper les prochaines vidéos, faites en sorte de vous abonner. Pourquoi? Parce que cette galette était délicieuse, elle était authentique et surtout, cette fille a toujours le sourire. Was that pretty good?
It was excellent. I don't know what you said, but yes. Whatever he said, and we will see you in the next one.
Bisous.
Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zooby zoo. Zooby zooby zoo, zooby zoo, zooby zoo. Mon Dieu qu'ils sont doux.
You really gave that your best effort.
Everything.